Summer is the perfect time to explore new places, and if you're looking for an exciting and beautiful destination, look no further than Croatia. With its stunning coastline, rich history, and delicious cuisine, Croatia is the perfect destination for any traveler. In this video, we'll explore 20 of the most beautiful places to travel to in Croatia this summer. Dubrovnik is a city located in southern Croatia, known for its medieval walls, red-roofed buildings, and crystal-clear waters. This city is often called the Pearl of the Adriatic, and is famous for its old town, which is surrounded by imposing walls that were constructed during the 13th century. The old town is home to several landmarks, including the Gothic Renaissance Sponza Palace and the Baroque St. Blaise Church. Split is Croatia's second largest city and a cultural center that's famous for its impressive Diocletian's palace, which was built in the 4th century as a retirement home for the Roman emperor. The palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular destination for tourists. In addition to the palace, Split is home to several museums, galleries, and theaters, making it a great destination for those who love art and culture. Plitvice Lakes National Park is one of Croatia's most popular natural attractions, and for good reason. The park is home to 16 interconnected lakes that cascade into each other through a series of waterfalls and cascades. The lakes are surrounded by dense forests, and the park is home to a variety of wildlife, including bears, wolves, and lynxes. Hvar is an island located off the Dalmatian coast of Croatia, and it's known for its beautiful beaches, clear waters, and sunny weather. The town of Hvar is also home to some impressive architecture, including the 16th century Cathedral of St. Stephen and the Renaissance-era arsenal. Located on the Istrian Peninsula, Rovinj is a charming town with a rich history. The town's old town is home to narrow streets and alleys, which are lined with colorful houses and artisan shops. The town's most impressive landmark is the Church of St. Euphemia, which is perched on a hill overlooking the town. Zadar is a lesser-known destination in Croatia, but it's definitely worth a visit. The city's old town is home to several impressive landmarks, including the Roman Forum, the 9th century Church of St. Donatus, and the Sea Organ, an art installation that creates music using the sound of waves. Another beautiful national park in Croatia is Krka National Park. This park is home to a series of waterfalls and cascades, including the stunning Skradinski Buck waterfall. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including over 200 species of birds. Pula is a coastal city on the Istrian Peninsula, and it's known for its impressive Roman ruins. The city's most famous landmark is the Pula Arena, an amphitheater that was built in the 1st century AD. Today, the arena is still used for concerts and other events. Trogir is a small town located just outside Split. The town's old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to several impressive landmarks, including the Cathedral of St. Lawrence and the Camerlengo Fortress. The town is also home to a marina, making it a popular destination for sailors and boaters. Brač is another beautiful island located off the Dalmatian coast of Croatia. The island is known for its beautiful beaches, including the famous Zelatni Rat Beach, which is shaped like a horn. The island is also home to several historic landmarks, including the Blaka Hermitage, a 16th century monastery that's built into a cliff. Croatia's capital city, Zagreb, is a bustling metropolis that's known for its beautiful architecture, cultural landmarks, and vibrant nightlife. The city's old town is home to several landmarks, including St. Mark's Church, which is famous for its colorful tiled roof. Makarska is a coastal town that's located between Split and Dubrovnik. The town is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and lively nightlife. The town is also home to several historic landmarks, including the Franciscan monastery, which dates back to the 16th century. This is a small island located off the coast of Croatia, and it's known for its unspoiled natural beauty. The island is home to several beautiful beaches, including Stinova Beach, which is only accessible by boat. The island is also home to several historic landmarks, including the ruins of a Greek colony that dates back to the 4th century BC. Kornati National Park is a collection of over 100 islands, islets, and reefs that are located off the coast of Croatia. The park is known for its stunning natural beauty, and it's a popular destination for sailing and boating enthusiasts. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including dolphins and sea turtles. Opatija is a coastal town that's located in the Hvar Bay region of Croatia. The town is known for its beautiful architecture, which includes several Art Nouveau buildings. The town is also home to several beautiful parks and gardens, including the Angelina Park and St. James Park. Cres is another beautiful island located off the coast of Croatia. The island is known for its unspoiled natural beauty, and it's a popular destination for hiking and cycling enthusiasts. The island is also home to several historic landmarks, including the Church of St. Mary and the Cres town walls. Varaždin is a small town located in northern Croatia, and it's known for its beautiful Baroque architecture. The town's old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to several landmarks, including the Cathedral of St. Nicholas and the Castle of Varaždin. Nin is a small town located on a peninsula in northern Dalmatia, and it's known for its beautiful sandy beaches and historic landmarks. The town's most famous landmark is the Church of the Holy Cross, which is located on an islet in the middle of a shallow lagoon. Peljasak is a peninsula that's located in southern Croatia, and it's known for its stunning natural beauty and delicious seafood. The peninsula is home to several charming towns, including Stan, which is famous for its defensive walls that were built during the 14th century. Sibnik is a coastal city that's located in central Dalmatia, and it's known for its impressive St. James Cathedral, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city's old town is home to several other historic landmarks, including the St. Nicholas Fortress, which was built in the 16th century to defend against Turkish attacks.